Now, on Monday, the British investment bank agreed to pay the fine to the U.S. government. As Rachelle Akuffo reports, it stems from charges the bank violated international sanctions in deals with Iran, Burma, Libya, and Sudan.
Britain's Standard Chartered Bank admitted in a statement that it handled $133 million in transactions for customers in nations sanctioned by the United States. Standard Chartered used so-called U-turn transactions, dollar-based deals for Iranian entities in London that then transferred the funds through banks in New York and then sent the money back to London. Iranian companies could evade U.S. sanctions because U-turn transactions didn't appear to start or end in Iran. Executing the fund transfers through its offices in New York subjected the deals to U.S. state and federal banking regulations. Back in August, New York State regulator Benjamin Lawsky accused Standard Chartered of leaving the U.S. financial system vulnerable to terrorists, weapons dealers, drug kingpins, and corrupt regimes, as well as depriving law enforcement of crucial information used to track criminal activity. Lawsky claimed Iran laundered roughly $250 billion through Standard Chartered U-turn transactions. At the time, Standard Chartered agreed to pay $340 million in fines to the state of New York. This second fine of $327 million will go to the U.S. Federal Reserve, the U.S. Department of Justice, and the District Attorney for New York County. U.S. state and federal regulators charged Standard Chartered with conspiring to violate the International Emergency Economic Powers Act. But as long as Standard Chartered abides by the terms of its agreement with the Justice Department, that charge will be dismissed after 2 years. Rachelle Akuffo, CCTV, Washington.